I did not think that I was going to do this look, but I did it. Hey guys, welcome back. I know I've been MIA for a very long time. 5 months. And I come to you to bring you a makeup tutorial, so I'm happy to be back and filming again. So if you want to get this look, keep on watching. I haven't done this in a long time, but I have to get back on my grind. Alrighty. Actually, first, let me pin back my hair. Ah, shocking! So first, we're gonna start with brows. We're gonna be using the NYX brow pencil. This is the dupe. This is the dupe for the ABH Brow Wiz. This one is the micro brow pencil. Get on this. Actually, let me do my brows off camera. Okay, I already finished my brows. I concealed them, made them clean, and made them cute. You know what I'm saying? You know. First thing I'm going to be doing is conceal my eyes and like add like a primer. So I'm just gonna put this here. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. This one is in Creamy Beige. And then I am going to blend it with my ring finger. Now that I look insane, I'm gonna be using the Naked 2 palette. I haven't used this palette in like a long time, so hello! For my transition shade, I'm gonna be using Tease, which is this color right here. Should I get closer? I should get closer. Hello. So for the next shade, I'm going to be using Pistol, which is this color right here. It's kind of like a cool gray. I'm probably going to be putting that all over my eyes. I'm filming. Hello. My sister, everyone. Hi. So I think I'm gonna be using some purples today. I'm gonna be using the Carly Bible palette. I'm most likely probably gonna use this shade. Doesn't have a name, but she's cute. So. I don't know what this look is at this point. I'm just balling it. So, worst YouTuber of 2018. So I'm taking a pointer crease brush. I'm gonna be using this one. This one's called Blackout. I'll be putting this in the outer corner, and let's pray to God that I don't look like a raccoon. So I'm just like patting the eyeshadow instead of like like window wiping motion, so you could get like the intensity of the eyeshadow. Fun fact. Actually, let's change up this look. We're going for it. We're putting the black on the inner corner. Let me pray for a minute. Okay, I think good. Okay, so I think I know what I'm gonna do next. I'm gonna do a halo eye. I'm gonna be taking an angle brush, and I'm gonna be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer, the same concealer. Now that I already have it cut out, I'm going to be using this color named Verve, and then I'm going to be patting it on where I put the concealer. We're gonna mix tease and blackout, and then we're gonna blend the silver that's in the middle. So yeah. To be adding a little pizzazz, I'm going to be using the NYX Glitter Brilliance in silver, and I'm going to be putting this in the middle of where I placed the silver. To add highlight, I am going to highlight my brow bone. I'm going to be using the shade Foxy, which is like the first shade, and I'm going to be putting it on my brow bone. Now for the terrifying part, eyeliner. Eyeliner is done, so now for mascara. Curl your eyelashes so they can reach up to heaven and be blessed by God, cause your girl needs it. For mascara, I'm going to be using the Essence Lengthening Fiber Mascara. This is one of my new favorites. I used to use the pink one, but I'm using the purple one. I feel like they all work the same, so. For lashes today, I'm going to be using the Eylure Asher Lashes. So I'm going to plot my lashes off camera and I'll be right back. So the lashes are on, and now for the base. For foundation today, I'm going to be using the Milani 2-in-1 Foundation Concealer. This one is in shade Sand Beige. So I'm going to pump one pump. That's all I really need, literally. For concealer today, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal. This one is in shade Pure Beige, and I'm going to be using Creamy Beige to highlight. Now that my foundation and my concealer has been blended, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Banana Powder. I've been obsessing with this powder. I'm not using the Airspun powder because that powder has been like washing me out, and I wanted something with, you know, with undertones of yellow, so I found that one and it was great. I love using it. It's literally one of my favorite powders, so gonna be baking. Hello powder. To warm up my face, I'm going to be using the Sonia Kashuk Glisten Bronzer and Cheek. I've been using this a lot and I've been really liking it. I am going to use Tease again. I'm going to be putting this on my lower lash line and then smoke it out. Next, I'm going to be using black eyeliner and I'm going to be lining my waterline. To highlight my inner corner, I'm going to be using the Sleek highlighting palette, and I'm going to be using this purple one right here. I'm telling you, this is blinding. Wow. Oh, Jesus Christ. She didn't have to be so loud. Wow. We're going to set our face with the Mario Badescu Rose Water. Some of it went inside my mouth. For highlighter, I'm going to be using Colourpop's highlighter in Wisp, and I'm going to be plopping that on my cheekbones. Now for lips, I'm going to be lining my lips with the Jordana lip liner. This one is in Honey Dip, and I'm going to be lining up my lips, obviously. Now for lips, I'm going to be using the NYX Liquid Suede. This one is in Sandstorm, and I'm going to be applying this all over my lips. And we're finished. So that's it for this makeup tutorial. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you did. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, you guys, to see more of my videos and upcoming videos here in this channel. All my social media will be down in the description box, also the list of products that I have used. Thank you guys for watching.